Hi guys, in this video, I want to walk you through my exact tech stack for AI trading. And it's super easy to set up, it's very scalable, and it's very easy to use. At the core of my stack, I have a Claude Code. Claude Code is the tool which orchestrates all the other tools. And it is kind of central brain of the system because it allows me to identify the edge in the market, to brainstorm ideas, to write the code for my strategies, to backtest those strategies, to read the reports of those backtests, to improve the strategies based on those reports, and iterate it at a very fast scale. And this is amazing, but the Claude Code by itself is not able to do any form of backtesting. You need to provide the certain connection with additional tools so Claude Code is able to run backtests. And this tool is called QuantConnect. QuantConnect is the world's leading algorithmic trading platform. It is super easy to connect with the Claude Code, and it allows you to backtest your strategy, and most importantly, to run those strategies on the live environment, therefore by connecting to your broker. So in short, QuantConnect is the glue between Claude Code and your broker. And you need this glue because you cannot execute your orders without any form of connections. Otherwise, you need to write a manual API request to your broker, and it is pain in the ass to do that without any form of good connections. QuantConnect is the most leading algorithmic trading platform because it allows to connect to multiple brokers. Now I'm going to show you the list of brokers it is allowing you to connect. It's connect to my broker, which is Interactive Broker, Tasty Trade, Charles Schwab, TradeStation, Binance, Coinbase, what is there? I don't know. I don't know all the others. But this is like just the list of brokers it has a native integration with. So it can, as you see, it supports majority of the assets in those brokers. So it can actually natively execute orders for those types of assets. So I highly recommend you to start using OneConnect because it will save you a ton of time. And once again, the final element is, of course, is my broker. I use Interactive Broker. I've been using this broker for more than 3 years, and it's the most. I like it because, first of all, it's very professional. It allows you to trade all the possible assets, and the fees are very low. So you're not going to be burning a lot of cash on fees, and you're going to be able to do whatever you want to do in the market. So let me sum it up. I have a Claude Code as the central brain of the system, which writes me the strategies, which execute the backtests, and pretty much do everything for me. Then QuantConnect is the one where all the strategies are actually executed. It actually provides all the market data, all the information you need to properly backtest the strategy. And the final, of course, is the broker, and the broker is the one which is holding my balance and executing orders. This is the setup I have, and trust me, it is everyone is able to set it up. However, you need to have a knowledge about the financial markets in order to start operating it. So there's still some form of knowledge is going to be required. Otherwise, Claude Code is going to be asking you the questions which you're not going to be able to have an answers for, and you're going to be burned in all this information. This is exactly the reason why I decided to open the community, school community. We're going to be share all the information which I know, how to set it up, how to properly find an edge in the market, how to backtest your strategy, how to connect everything, how to connect all the tools, and how to ensure that your strategy are able to run live in the production scale environment, exactly the same environment which institutional traders are using. If you want to know more information about this community, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section down below. Feel free to have a look. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.